Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So during the week on the PJ's Coin Capers Facebook page, I put out a post asking for people to contribute, and I said I wanted to put a video out there highlighting what the members of the group have been finding while noodling. And so lots of people have contributed, so I thought we'd put this video together today, and just a bit of a show and tell type video today. Just to have a look. So if you'd like to join the group, make sure you check us out on Facebook. So Petros has put up a 2016 rabbit ear, and you can see where I'm sort of spinning my my cursor here. You can see that's where the rabbit ear is on that particular coin. Now Brendan has put up a very nice high grade 1981 20-cent coin. Absolutely great condition there. Alright, let's keep going down here. This is a very special one. Adam Williams has found a 1966 20-cent Wavy, which is one of the coins we all like to look for when we're going through our 20-cent coins. And that's a nice condition for its age. And you can clearly see there the wave at the base of the two there. Normally be a straight line across there. This has clearly got a nice wave to it, which makes it very appealable. I think that's a word. Now Simon has found himself an increased 50-cent coin. We'll go in a little bit closer and have a look at that. If you're unfamiliar with increased, check out my video. I've done probably a couple of videos on this coin. But you can see here the Union Jack is increased, which is the least common variety of this particular coin. So well done there, Simon. Let's keep going down and see what else we get. Here's one I'm yet to find, which is a 2010 rotated 50-cent coin, and I bought one, but I'm yet to find one. So that's a nice find there, Joe. Will, he's found a 2006 10-cent coin with a massive cud there. You can see that there. Maybe we can go in a bit closer. Massive cut on top of the zero there. Always good to keep an eye out for special cuds that can be found on 10-cent coins. Now this is something special. Dominic found this rotated 2001, which is 180 degree rotation. He's put together a little video here. Let's have a look at that. Look at that, fully upside down, which is not normal for Australian coins. If that was a US coin, that would be normal, but for an Australian coin, that is not the orientation that we would normally find. Sue has got a 2002 flamingo, guys. So the 2001 is very tough to find, but the 2002 is even more rare. And this is a 5-cent coin that's upside down, but this is representative of a flamingo, and this extra, it's actually a die crack that's caused this this extra bit of cud, you would call, coming off the bottom of the 5, and yeah, it sort of represents the bird's head and beak. Raymond's found a 2014 $2 coin. Now Darren is a great contributor to the page, and he's also found a Landcare cud. So you can see that cud there in between the branches of the tree there. Warren has found a 1965 florin from New Zealand. Difill. Not quite seeing what we're meant to be exactly looking at there, but there must be a difill there on that particular coin. So this is a 1966 2-cent by Blake. It's probably not going to pick it up on here, but that's a 1966 2-cent with the missing SD, which is another variety that we like to look out for. This is a pretty cool coin as well by Peter. He's put out a 20-cent partial tilted collar, So make sure you check each of your coins. It's pretty obvious when you find something like this, but these things can be nice and high valued coins because they are fairly scarce to come across. So keep an eye out for that. Now, a bit hard to tell this one, but Bo's put up a photo here of a 5-cent coin. Now, this particular coin is off center, and you can see by this lip that's around here that it's shifted off center by a fair way, and it's possibly a tilted collar as well, which is fairly common when a coin is off center. So Joseph has written here, I got this noodling while my dad was playing a poker machine when I was 6 back in England. I would look at the sixpence that came out of the poker machine, and over 50 years later I still have it in my collection. So that's pretty cool. Let's just have a closer look at that one. So it's a sixpence, a British sixpence from 1850, I think it is. So very nice coin that was found many years ago. Jesse's put on here a M mint marked 2008 Commonwealth coat of arms coin. So it's a dollar coin, and this is mint marked with an M, as you can see there. Nice coin, and not to be found in circulation. It wasn't intended for circulation. What do we got here? We've got Chris has put up a backpack and a neck cud. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to pick it up, but we will try. Oh yeah, good photo. We've got a nice backpack cud there and a little neck cud there. So yeah, nice photo there, Chris. That's a 2010 dollar coin. Richard Lee, one of our admins on the page, has found a sixpence in a 5-cent roll. So yeah, very nice to find a silver coin in a 5-cent roll. Zach, here we go. This is the coin you want to find. So this is a double-headed 2007 5-cent coin, and we don't get to see both sides, but not hard to imagine what the other side looks like. It's got the obverse on both sides, so the Queen's head on both sides of 2007. Tom has found, what's he found here? We've seen Tom's partial $1 partial collar a little while ago, which is an absolutely beautiful coin. But he's also found a full set of the Commonwealth Games coins. So well done there, Tom. What do we got here? 1966 10-cent upset. So there'll be a slight rotation on that one there. As you can see, the head is pointing to possibly around 11.30. John has found a heap of coloured $2 coins there. And we also have Jerry's put in another florin, and exactly the same coin, which is cool. So I think, is that it? Yes, it is. So lots of good finds on the channel, and there have been many mules also found, which is pretty cool. I wouldn't be surprised if between the group in recent months have probably found, or I reckon, between 15 to 20 mules. So when I started this particular post on this page, I thought we'd get 20 mules, but we didn't get any. So but we got lots of variety. So I hope you've enjoyed that little look at what we've been finding over the last little while on the page. And it's great that everyone's been able to share, so thank you very much for contributing, and thanks to everyone for contributing to the actual page. I really appreciate all your efforts, and we do have 3 great admins who have kindly donated their time to accepting members and accepting posts, and so that's David Galbraith, Helena, and Richard have all jumped on board, And lots of new posts. Another one just came up right now. So looks like Yana Brooks, who is a great contributor to the channel as well, has just put up a post. So lots of posts coming through. And alright guys, that is it for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll have another video for you soon.